Welcome to Module 2 of our Blogging Masterclass. In this module, we'll dive into the art of crafting captivating blog content that keeps readers hooked from start to finish. A well-crafted blog post not only engages your audience, but also leaves a lasting impact. Let's explore the key elements that make blog posts compelling and learn techniques to create content that stands out in the digital landscape. The key elements of compelling blog posts: clarity and focus. Clear and focused blog posts are more effective in delivering your message. Identify the main idea or theme and structure your content around it. Value and relevance. Provide valuable information and insights that resonate with your target audience. Address their pain points, offer solutions, and share actionable tips. Originality. Stand out from the crowd by presenting unique perspectives, fresh ideas, and innovative concepts. Avoid rehashing content that has been covered extensively. Emotional appeal. Connect with your readers on an emotional level through relatable stories, personal experiences, or empathetic narratives. Writing attention-grabbing headlines and introductions. Headlines that intrigue. Craft headlines that arouse curiosity, promise value, or evoke emotions. Use power words and be concise to capture attention at a glance. Compelling introductions. Hook your readers from the start with compelling introductions that build anticipation and encourage them to keep reading. Utilizing storytelling techniques to engage readers. The power of story. Human beings are naturally drawn to stories. Utilize storytelling techniques to illustrate your points, create relatable scenarios, and leave a lasting impression. Personal anecdotes. Share personal anecdotes or experiences that add authenticity to your content and strengthen your connection with readers. Structuring your blog posts for readability and impact. Clear subheadings. Break your content into clear and concise subheadings to make it easier for readers to navigate and grasp the main points. Bullet points and lists. Use bullet points and lists to present information in a scannable format, enhancing readability. Paragraph length. Keep paragraphs short and concise for easy reading, especially on digital devices. Incorporating multimedia elements to enhance your content. Visual appeal. Enhance your blog posts with relevant and high-quality images that complement your content and make it visually appealing. Engaging videos. Embed videos to provide additional value, demonstrate concepts, or create a more dynamic experience for your audience. Infographics and data. Visualization. Use infographics and data visualization to simplify complex information and engage readers visually. Remember, crafting captivating blog content is both an art and a skill that improves with practice. By applying these techniques and combining them with your unique voice and ideas, you'll create blog posts that leave a lasting impact on your readers and drive the success of your blog. In Module 3, we'll delve into the world of search engine optimization, SEO, for bloggers, understanding how to optimize your blog posts for better visibility and organic traffic. Stay tuned and let's continue our journey towards becoming master bloggers.